of fun striking, throwing one of my sledges. I had so much fun. I rarely get to get on this side of the angle, so I certainly enjoyed it. That's a freaking beautiful hammer. Go check out his channel, Technicus Joe, Joey Vander Steeg. He makes all sorts of awesome YouTube tutorials. He's also filmed a forge welding course for my online school over at beginblacksmithing.com. At beginblacksmithing.com you can also learn how to make hammers, just like this, right? Thanks, Joe. Great having you here. I'll see you guys all next time.
See you guys later.